Hi, I'm Sagar. I'm from Pesit, and I would like to speak on topics like .NET Framework and Introduction to Silverlight. And when coming to .NET Framework, I'll be basically talking on the advantages. Firstly, the major advantage of .NET Framework is that it's a multi-language integration, wherein you can use any language that you know so as to build your applications. That's a major thing, where they have plugged in different languages to the same library, and that library comes underneath the first layer, and it's called FCL. Secondly, the main advantage is the multi-platform in the sense not different operating systems, it is compatible with different versions of Windows. And thirdly, it's very user friendly. Most of the work is done by that tool called Visual Studio IDE, where you don't have to worry about the backend things. It will take care of all those things. And let me start with the .NET framework. What exactly it is? Firstly, it's a very abstract way of looking at the .NET framework. It has got three layers in it. A higher layer is that where you can see the application part of it. Like many users will be working on different applications like web applications, Windows applications, and anything like that. That's the first layer. Underneath that lies the FCL framework class library. As I've told you about that thing, it's a collection of different classes that will be most used. And thirdly comes the main core part of the .NET framework. It's called the CLR, Common Language Runtime, where basically you have different units like CLS, CTS, and JIT. CLS is the Common Language Specification, wherein all the languages that need to be integrated with the multi-language integration thing has to follow those rules. And CTS is the Common Type System, like they have designed a programming model depending upon a thing. uh, those are the rules that other languages need to follow. And you have JIT, just in time compilation, wherein you will not actually execute the whole code, where whenever executing the code only particular reference will be called upon, and it will be converted into the machine language, and then it will be executed. And then coming to the introduction to the Silverlight. Silverlight is nothing but rich interface application, rich interactive application, I mean. It's basically used to increase the richness of your application. It can be either web applications or Windows Forms application. And how it works is it's something similar to Flash, and it's something similar to Flash, where you can concentrate on the visual appearance of your application. You can animate it, or you can create effects. And the main thing is that you have tools like expression blend, where you can design the front end, and it will automatically generate the back end like